Scene script. Ever wondered why data scientists often quip that 80% of their job is cleaning data? Or why the phrase, garbage in, garbage out, is all too familiar in the data analysis realm? It all boils down to the criticality of data cleaning and pre-processing. But with the ever-increasing volumes of data, manual cleaning and pre-processing can be a Herculean task. Enter the world of automated data cleaning and pre-processing. In our quest for efficiency, we've seen the development of many tools that help automate these processes. One such tool is Trifacta. With Trifacta, data analysts can transform raw, complex data into clean and structured formats. It offers features such as intelligent data profiling, predictive transformation, and a user-friendly interface that requires no coding skills. Trifacta turns the tedious task of data cleaning into a more manageable and efficient process. Next on our list is OpenRefine, a standalone open-source desktop application. OpenRefine excels in dealing with messy data, cleaning it, transforming it from one format into another, and extending it with web services and external data. It provides a multitude of ways to explore and clean data, and its reconciliation feature helps in linking and merging datasets. Now, let's talk about Talon data preparation. This tool simplifies and automates the data cleaning process, offering a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functions. With Talon, you can easily identify errors and inconsistencies in your data, correct them, and ensure that your datasets are ready for analysis. Another powerful tool is Alteryx, which offers an end-to-end platform for data preparation. Alteryx combines data cataloging, data quality, and governance to ensure that your data is clean, reliable, and ready for analysis. It's a comprehensive tool that can streamline your data preparation process, making it quicker and more efficient. Last but not least, we have Data Ladder, a data quality platform that offers advanced data matching, profiling, and enrichment. With its visual interface, Data Ladder simplifies the process of identifying and correcting errors in your data. It also offers features like deduplication and record linkage, ensuring that your data is not just clean, but also consistent and comprehensive. To summarize, the task of data cleaning and pre-processing, though daunting, can be significantly simplified with the right tools. Trifacta, OpenRefine, Talon data preparation, Alteryx, and Data Ladder each offer unique features and benefits that make the process more efficient and less time-consuming. Remember, clean and well-prepared data is the foundation of any successful data analysis. Automating these processes not only saves time, but also ensures consistency and accuracy in your data, leading to more reliable and insightful outcomes. So why not take the leap and embrace the power of automation in data cleaning and pre-processing?